Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best platform bed frames to elevate your bedroom decor on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Mellow Naturalista Classic Platform Bed Frame. Embark on a journey of style and comfort with our industrial Mellow Naturalista Classic Platform Bed Frame. This sleek and sophisticated design will elevate the look of any bedroom. The sturdy and durable 3.5-inch solid wooden frame, in a mid-century modern style, ensures long-lasting quality and support. Experience the ultimate peace of mind with the noise-free construction and non-slip tape on the wooden slats, providing stability and a restful night's sleep. Assembling this bed frame is a breeze, taking just minutes to set up, and it comes with the added convenience of being covered under a 5-year warranty. What we like about it: stylish mid-century design, non-slip wooden slats, easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: replaceable parts are not available. Number 2. Zenas Curtis Upholstered Platform Bed Frame. Constructed with a strong and sturdy foundation, the Zenas Curtis Upholstered Platform Bed Frame provides exceptional support for your mattress without the need for a box spring. Its innovative wood slat system ensures durability and prevents sagging, promising a comfortable and restful sleep every night. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the hassle-free design that requires no special tools or expertise. Simply follow the straightforward instructions, and you'll have your bed frame set up in no time. It also showcases a sleek and modern look with its elegant gray upholstery, adding a touch of sophistication to any bedroom decor. What we like about it: sturdy construction and lightweight material, easy assembly with included tools. What we don't like about it: plastic feet may not be aesthetically pleasing. Number 3. Zenas Brock Platform Bed Frame. The Zenas Brock Platform Bed Frame is designed with a combination of metal and solid acacia wood, ensuring both durability and a sleek aesthetic. With this bed frame, you can say goodbye to the hassle of a box spring, as it provides excellent support for your mattress without the need for additional components. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the easy-to-follow instructions and the included hardware. You'll have your bed ready to use in no time. Not only does the Zenas Brock bed frame offer exceptional functionality, but it also adds a touch of modern style to your bedroom. What we like about it: solid acacia wood and metal bar, easy assembly with clear instructions, slats velcroed to the bed frame. What we don't like about it: the slats may be too long. Number 4. Yahitech Platform Bed Frame. The Yahitech Platform Bed Frame combines extra storage options with a sleek design. Featuring 4 spacious drawers, this bed frame offers ample storage, ensuring a clutter-free environment. From extra bedding to seasonal clothing, you can neatly organize and hide away items, making the most of your space. The adjustable headboard adds a touch of versatility, allowing you to find the perfect position for reading, watching TV, or simply lounging in bed. What we like about it: extra storage drawers, easy to assemble, sturdy and supportive. What we don't like about it: the bed frame is low-rise. Number 5. Hoggeep Metal Platform Bed Frame. The Hoggeep Metal Platform Bed Frame offers exceptional stability and support for a comfortable night's sleep. Constructed with a solid steel slat frame, this platform bed ensures long-lasting durability, making it the perfect choice for those who need a bed frame that can withstand heavy use. The sturdy metal construction eliminates the need for a box spring, saving you both money and space in your bedroom. What we like about it: heavy-duty and no squeaky sounds, ample storage space. What we don't like about it: it is not possible to attach a headboard. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.